2016, they have some AI embedded features called the design idea. Any one of you have already used it before? Yes, right? This is very useful. Just have a look over here. Okay, now go to slide 8. Okay, this one. Okay, over here I have already inserted 3 online picture over here, right? If I would like to arrange it to make it much more attractive, so how to do it? I have no idea how to arrange them. Okay, put it here, put it here. I have no idea how to make it look better. So, if so, then you may just simply go to the design ribbon over here. Just simply click the design ribbon over here. See what happened. On the right hand side, you can see an option called the design idea, right? What's the use of the design idea? Just simply click it. Basically, for design idea is some AI-enabled features of Microsoft. That means, okay, the Microsoft Office will try to retrieve our design idea anytime when we use the PowerPoint. After that, they will upload all our design idea to their server, and then they will use something called the machine learning to massage, okay, which design is the best, okay, for your items, and then they will suggest you, okay, with the suggestion on the right hand side of this screen. Can you see here? They will try to give you some suggestion how to allocate those pictures, okay, that you on this slide. Is it clear? If you say, well, I would like to apply this option, after you click this option, then this design has already been applied to your slide. If you say, oh, this one is not good, okay, so you may try another one, may try this one also. You may just freely to try, okay, any suggested idea from the Microsoft server. All these ideas are learned from the Microsoft's AI engine, okay. Then that means, okay, whenever you are using Microsoft PowerPoint, they will upload our design idea to their server, and then the server will learn about, okay, our behavior as well. That means, okay, the more time you try to use the PowerPoint, the more the careful the PowerPoint the machine of your machine. This is very important. Because of a deep learning, if you try to use the PowerPoint much more, then the PowerPoint will become much more careful. Okay, this is the operation of AI. Okay, this is one of the example of how to use the design idea, and the second example is like that. Okay, on the slide 9. Okay, Steve Jobs -1. Can you see this slide? As you can see here, okay, for this example, it's basically this slide is basically the timeline of Steve Jobs. Okay, so I've already typed in the timeline of Steve Jobs, the history of Steve Jobs. However, if you would like to put it in a more nice way, so how to do it? As you can see here, because I have already enabled the design idea on the right hand side. So if you would like to try different idea, you may just simply click the button on the right hand side. Then as you can see here, this is my first idea. So 1955, okay, Steve Paul Jobs, okay, is born in San Francisco to Joanne Carlo something, okay, and here, okay, the Jobs family moved to Mountain View, something like that. Okay, the powerful of AI is like that, because as you can see here, in 1961, because I have already mentioned the terms called family, so that's why the AI will use the icon family, okay, to demonstrate this stage of Steve Jobs. Can you see this? And here, because Jobs calls Bill Harrod, okay, and then blah 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 blah, okay, and then they will become the internship, right? Internship with the company that summer. Okay, because here we have already mentioned something about internship and company, so that's why the AI will suggest us to use the icon briefcase, okay, to show this stage of Steve Jobs as well. Is it clear? This is the powerful of this is the ability of the AI. If you say, oh David, I don't want to use this idea, then you may click another one, or maybe more will come. Okay. If you scroll down the panel on the right hand side, of course, I like this one best, okay, because I love those icons the computer suggests. Is it clear? And again, over here, if you would like to have another timeline, if you click again, see what happened. Okay, if you also, the AI will give you some suggestion on the what? On the icon as well. As you can see here, 1977. Okay, Steve Jobs found the Apple Incorporates because we have already mentioned something about Apple. So the AI recognize Apple, then it will give us the icon Apple to represent the stage of Steve Jobs. Is it clear? This is how powerful the AI is. Okay, of course, if you say, wow, David, wow, I afraid myself, okay, lose my job because the AI is so powerful, right? Okay, it can recognize everything. So that's why I will tell you, okay, for this lesson, I'm not only teach you how to use the AI. I would like you to use the AI to get some idea only. Okay, because I would like you to get some idea from AI only. I don't want you to use the AI's idea directly. Because if you just use the AI's idea directly, then you have no value. That's why I would suggest you to grab some idea from the AI only, and then you need to modify the design that suggested by the AI. Finally, okay, just have a look over here. For example, now here, the one over here. Okay, because we have already applied the AI, okay, on the graphics, right? As you can see here, we have so many different graphics, just like this and that, right? And one of it is like this, okay? As you can see here, okay, it will cut this robot into a trapezium, okay? And here also a trapezium, and this one also a trapezium. However, the focus of the robot is not that good, okay, if once we cut it into a trapezium shape. So how to modify it? This is a problem. So this is also the design idea provided by the AI of Microsoft. So if I would like to modify it, how to do it? The method is very simple. For example, over here, if we select, okay, the robot, this one, it is chopped into a trapezium. That means it has already used the chop operation. So how to modify it? We may just simply select this robot, and then go to the picture choose, and then select the format option over here. And then over here, we've got something called the crop, right? The crop. Can you see the crop? Crop option under the picture choose format ribbon. Can you see? Okay. For example, now I select this robot and go to the picture choose format ribbon, and then over here we've got something called the crop options, right? After that, okay, if you say I would like to cut, okay, this picture into different shape, what should you do? You may choose the shape over here, crop to shape, diamond, rectangle, triangle, something like that. However, if you would like to just simply adjust the focus of the shape, then what should you do? I would suggest you to use this option, fill. Just simply click the fill option, see what happens. After you use the fill option, and then you may move the picture inside the what? Inside the trapezium, right? Can you see this? And also, if I select this trapezium, I go to the crop and go to the fill again. Because this robot, I would like to show the head of the robot, okay, and make the head of the robot become the focus of this picture. Then I may just use the fill option to move the picture a little bit downward, and then after that, okay, the focus will become the what? The head of the robot. And here again, for this one, the head of the robot, I want to become the focus. So go to the crop again, use the fill options again. Yes. Just like this. Is it okay? So that's why, okay, I don't want to ask you, okay, to solely use the design idea directly from the PowerPoint. I would like you to cooperate with the AI idea that's suggested by the AI of Microsoft Office. Okay, because if you use the AI design directly, then you have no value. But now we have already we've give some value to this slide already. Okay, is it clear?